Hi, my name is Alan Adonai, and my last name is Mo Cervantes. Well, when I was a child, I used to play in the park near my house with my friends. Mostly we played football, basketball, kimbomba, baseball, and I remember when my family and I went to live in Cozumel when I was 8 years old. I lived there for 1 year. Then, by the work of my father, I went to live in Chihuahua. At 14 years of age, there lived 3 years and finished high school and middle high school back to Merida to live. I finished I finished high school at 17 years old, entered the Institute Technologic of Merida as a mechanical engineer student. After a year, entered the seminary ISA Formation House to discover the vocation to the priesthood. There I was 2 years and 6 months. 2 years ago, entered the licenciature as a student marketing and international business at the School of Accounting and Administration. I am currently in fourth semester of the race. Before I used to exercise every day, but now I prefer to finish my tasks. I used to play piano in the afternoon, but how I prefer to practice my English. I used to go out with my friends, but now I am not that a newborn. I am happy living with my wife and daughter. I want to continue studying. Moreover, that to cover the expense on homework in the evenings in ISA. I am dedicated to sale of Asteria and also in religious events sing and play either piano or guitar. For my future, I will finish my degree. I will continue working on ISA. I will have a good job and economic stability to buy a house and make my dreams my house next to my wife and daughter. I will also travel with my family within the states as well as in other state of the Mexican Republic on why not know other countries. Bye and thank you.